Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the COGO History Viewer. This is awfully useful if you want to replicate something or just check back on your work. So what I'm going to do to begin is I'm going to head to the bottom left corner where my plumb bob icon is. I'm going to open up my main menu and click on Survey Tools, and within this menu I'm going to click on my COGO History Viewer. And what you can see is I have the most recent COGO operation I did, which happened to be a distance intersection. So you can see I calculated from point 38 to point 28 and solve for point 39. And what you can do is if I scroll up on this menu here, you're going to see all of my other operations. So you can see I did my traverse here. I went from point 37 to point 38. I did another traverse from point 27 to 37. And you can also see that I did an inverse as well. So any COGO operations you did, you can find within this menu. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you use the COGO History Viewer to see all of your previous calculations. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.